people of God in this place, lift up your voices in high praise, for he is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Come on, let's bless him, for he is the greatest. Now clap your hands like this.
Okay, everybody, look at this, fresh out the oven. Oh my goodness. This is a creamy crab dip. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how creamy this is. Take a look at this. I want you to see this pool right here. Look at all that smoke. It is incredible. Look at that. Now, this is too hot right now, so I am not going to burn my mouth. Ooh, take a look at that. All right, I'm going to set this up, and then I will take a photo for you, and then I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. All right, let's go ahead and get this hot crab dip together. And here is everything we're going to use. You decide what cheese you like. I'm going to use Swiss and Colby Jack, some W sauce, mayonnaise, sour cream. This is crab meat here, chopped onions, onion powder, garlic powder, some green onions, some cream cheese, lemon, and this is Dijon hickory smoked mustard and a little pepper. All right, let's get this together. Okay, in this bowl, I've just taken everything and put the ingredients in here, but I just wanted you to see, just to save time, I'm just going to add, this is like the basics to everything I put in. This garlic powder, onion powder, I don't know, that's just like always in there. I'm going to add some chopped onions. This is not required, but I'm going to add some hot sauce. Well, this is actually, it's not hot sauce, but it's a buffalo wing sauce, which I love. I'm going to add a little Old Bay in here. Not too much, because that's really, really salty. Get some pepper. I'm going to put all the measurements of everything below in the description. Here's some lemon juice. But you know, in the kitchen, there are no rules. You put what you want and how much you want. This is hickory smoked mustard. And then I'm going to add our green onions. Beautiful. Now all of this is going to get mixed up. I'm going to put it in the oven. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's cream cheese, mayo, sour cream. I'm using different types of cheese because it just makes it rich. All right, let me get this all mixed up together and I'll be right back. All right, it's time to load this up and put this in the pan and put this in the oven. Now I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. This smells so good, you all. I think I made a little too much, but I will, I'll put the rest in a container, or not a container, but another pan, and we'll just have two. It's really beautiful. I want you to try this out. This would be really great for the Super Bowl coming up. If you have family that really likes crab. Now I don't want it to be perfect. I want it to be a little rustic. So I'm not gonna smooth it all out. I don't like things looking all perfect because what's perfect? That's a state of mind, right? All right, I'm gonna throw some of this cheese on top. That's enough cheese. I'm not gonna load it up. Let this melt. This is going to go into the oven for about 15-20 minutes, and just want to make sure the edges come out crispy and that it looks good. And I'm going to show you how it looks when it comes out. All right. Oops.